Josh. Great. Josh. Hey.
If the last one's red, I win. Alright guys, we're just gonna record a couple more and then we're gonna stop. Whoa, that thing got so close to us. Alright, so we're gonna record a couple more and stop. Because we wanna watch this ourselves.
We still have to record.
Okay, so a minute or two, and then we're gonna stop.
Stop it.
Okay, we're gonna stop. Thank you for watching.